Okay, so in this video we're going to have a look at finding the equation of a line using the formula y equals mx plus c. This formula is in our log tables, so we don't need to memorize it. We're going to need two things: the slope of the line, that's m, and the y-intercept, so that's where it crosses the y-axis, which will be in the format 0c. So if we look at the question here, find the equation of the line that passes through the point 0, minus 4, so that's my y-intercept, and has a slope of 3 over 4. So my slope is 3 over 4, and my y-intercept is 0 minus 4. And that's my c value. So we get y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to 3 over 4x plus c. And that's my answer there. Now, two ways to format the answer if the question requires. If it doesn't specify, we leave it as we are there. So they could say, give your answer in the form y equals mx plus c, or else they may want it in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. So for this one here, that's my answer. Or else here we need to rearrange, so everything has to be on the one side. We have y equals 3 over 4x minus 4. It's easiest for me to move the y. So we get 0 is equal to 3 over 4x minus 4 minus y. And we tidy that up. We get 3 over 4x minus y minus 4 equals 0. And if for some reason the question said, what are the a, b, and c values? Here we'd have a equals 3 over 4, b equals minus 1, we have the invisible 1 in front of the y, and then c equals minus 4. And then I suppose one way maybe that they could make it more difficult is they could say, find the equation of the line, and they might tell you, I suppose here if it was, give your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, and they'd say a, b, c are elements of z. We know that means we can only have positive or negative whole numbers. So we have an issue here because our line, when we rewrote it, was 3 over 4x minus y minus 4 equals 0. And this here is an issue. We need to get rid of the fraction. So to do that, we multiply both sides by 4. So the 4 and the 4 cancels, and we get 3x minus 4y minus 16. 4 by 0 is 0. And that would be that answer. And while these three equations look different, if you were to use a graphing site to draw them out, you'll get the same line repeated 3 times. So it just depends on how they want us to present our answer. Okay, so that's that question done for equation of a line using the formula y equals mx plus c. This is the more awkward formula to use. Your best choice is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. For that we just need the slope of the line and 1 point on the line. Whereas for this formula we need the y-intercept, which isn't something that they give too often. So again, just read your question carefully, see what they give you, and see which formula needs what. And then you base your approach off that. Okay, and that's that question done.